friends over tonight. We're celebrating my birthday. I have a wake and funeral and everything to go to. I have so much cleaning to do. The dogs have been barking at squirrels all morning. I think Choppy took Piper's con. Piper's been jumping off the couch. As you look at the pillows. Look at the pillows. Oh, my Piper. And I'm watching, I think this was American Girl Christmas. Yeah, it's on AMC. Oh my gosh. Oh, sorry you guys. All right, on with the cleaning. Oh my gosh, and you should see, look, I mean, there is stuff everywhere. Why are my socks in the hallway? That's Choppy. He always does that. It's really cloudy out. It's kind of hard to tell, but Choppy has been sitting at this door. I don't know if you can see his little nose marks. Oh, you can't. That's really weird. Because he has been barking his head off at a squirrel. Like, the squirrel sits up in that tree, and he runs up and down that tree, drives Choppy nuts. He sits here and barks for hours. Look at, I talked him up. There he is, sitting, waiting for a squirrel. So now he's going to sit. And he sometimes like does that doggy talk, you know, where they go, arr, arr, arr. That's what he's going to do. Okay, you guys. We went out to eat last night for my birthday. I have stuff everywhere. I had breakfast. I had bacon and eggs. I got a new shipment of Mrs. Myers from Grove Collaboratives that came. I've got to clean up this kitchen. I've got to stock the fridge. You guys want to see how messy my fridge is? Because you know I like to have a nice clean fridge. Whoa. Uh-oh. Look at how messy. Totally messy. That lemon is from our lemon tree. Cool, right? It's huge. Those are supposed to be the Meyer lemons. So they're supposed to be the smaller ones. Huge, huge, huge. 3 eggs, cheeses, a lot of drinks as usual. There's, I don't know what I'm doing. Crap from this morning. Okay, let's get to cleaning. just had to show you my closet. How freaking messy it is. Oh my gosh. Look at this, you guys. Look at, this is all like Christmas stuff and Bath and Body and stuff I just like throw in here. It is crazy. OMG. Well, nothing else is really bad, but I mean, I have to really clean this out. I don't even know why I'm showing you guys this. If you want to see me clean out my closet, put it in the description box below. OMG, you guys. I can't even find nothing. Okay, off to this crazy room. It's gonna be a long time because Choppy has to be on the bed. Piper already took off. Here we are, my YouTube family. It's Thursday night. We are drinking and eating and celebrating my birthday. Chinese. I got everybody from work here. And look at the Chinese. What you got there, Holly? It almost looks like hot sauce.
It's sweet and sour.
It's the sweet and sour. It was a pineapple.
Yum, yum, yum.
Get some food. Stop. We're not working today.
Okay.
Turn this off.
Okay, you guys, it's Friday morning. Just got up, put on my Christmas music, and I'm going to have some tea. The dogs need to go out. All right, let's get on with some tea. So you guys, I'm just gonna have my tea. Oh my God, I still got the dang thing on my head. I'm just gonna have my tea, and then I'm gonna watch the news. So I'm gonna have my tea, watch the news, and then I guess take a nap for a minute. I got a funeral and what do I got today? I got a wake, service, repast today. So it won't be the best of days. I guess it could be fine. And then after that, my brother is going to take me out this evening for my birthday because he didn't get to spend it with me, and he said me and him will celebrate tonight. So that will bring some joy to the evening, and I will celebrate the rest of the evening. Okay, let's go watch some TV. See what I can find here. Oh shoot, I turned it off. What the heck? Okay. Alright, we're taking minutes here. Okay. I could just listen to this, or I could exit. Exit. Come on.
The music superstar, she's coming to your living room. Swift is bringing her Reputation Stadium tour to Netflix. The concert movie is going to premiere on New Year's Eve.
I like Channel 5, KSTP.
Professional sports stadiums did not.
All right, you guys, this is what it is. Okay, you guys, me and Russell are at Old Mexico. He is texting, I think. What's going on down there, Russ? Yeah.
Looking for somebody.
Yeah, Russ. Yeah. And we've got our drinks. Old Mexico has 2 for $1. And he got his girls' drink already. Look at here. Look at here. Sangrias. Russell's drinking Blue Moons. All right. It is packed in here tonight. We've got to get some food though, because I cannot drink without having any food in my tummy. I will be sick. So stay tuned. Malaya, I'm dropping you off, right, honey pot? And did you get a lot today? Look at the Gap. The store is closing. So everything is like up to 50% off, plus 30, plus when you check out, everything's 20. And if you use your Gap card, it's another 20. Look at that. Wah, wah. And then we stopped by Bath and Body, and she got a candle gelato. And then we stopped by Starbucks. She's got one for her mom. Oh my gosh, Malaya, you sucked your Starbucks strawberry refresher right down. And those are our reusable cups. Right, Lele? Anything you want to say to everybody? Huh? We had to go to the Apple store. Where's your phone, Malaya? Because her phone wasn't working, right? You can unbuckle your seatbelt. You are at home. And get your phone out. Because you have, it looks like a brand new phone. Doesn't it? I think they just gave you a brand new phone. Yeah, because look at how pretty the back is. Yeah, there's like nothing on it. Turn it around. Yeah, like she had to restart it and everything. I swear it's a brand new phone. Yeah. Okay, so that's where we were for a couple hours. We were at the Rosedale Mall getting Malaya a phone because that one was out. All right, Malaya, Grandma loves you.
Love you too, Grandma.
Okay, Puss, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Hey, Piper. Say goodbye to everybody. Say goodbye. Uh-oh, Choppy's saying goodbye. Okay. Thanks, Chops. Oh.